The wireless charger trio. Samsung really like these naming conventions. Trios. We did one with the battery. There's also got a trio in the name. And the whole idea is that it can charge 3 things at the same time if you didn't know that. But this is actually honestly and genuinely a very cool device. It's not necessarily a novelty. It's just if you love clean, slick, white desks with everything, this is the way to do it. If you find this video useful in any capacity while watching this, please hit the like button. It really does help this channel out, and make sure that you use the links in the description when making your purchases, because it does help me out as well. I'm giving you my honest thoughts about these products. Not all of them have been great, and I've been a bit disappointed with the inconsistency of quality, but I know for a fact, because I've actually had a look at this a little bit earlier, that this is a really good one. So yeah, well done, Samsung. So here's the whole idea. It's got 9-watt fast charging, wireless, which is slow, but this is not meant to be an on-the-road device where you have to quickly chug your devices. Don't chug your devices. What am I saying? This is a device that is meant to be used in one location permanently, which is very cool. So it's long and wide. Our phones are busy recording, so I can't bring my phone here. But it fits your phone, fits your watch. Just put the watch on top. This is the position for the watch. There's actually a little icon over here, and there's a phone here. Yeah, we just unboxed one. But let me peel the screen off that guy. There we go. That's the S24 Ultra for you. So that will be over here. What I found with the S24 Ultra, though, when putting this on the charger, maybe when we switch it on just now, is that it's real hard to get at the right spot for it to charge. You can't just like dunk it here. It needs to sit and charge. And then it's also that little square over there is for your earbuds. These are my Buds Pro 2s, and they will sit over here, and then everything wirelessly charges. And it looks beautiful, and it's simple, and it's a good product, man. I don't know if there's a black one. I don't know if there's a black one. I think I would have preferred a black one because of all my devices are black, but Jess has a whole white setup, and you know, she's got white headphones. This would have been awesome. And because it's Qi wireless charging, any device that's wireless charging should benefit from this, except we were discussing this a little bit off camera, except for Apple, because your Apple Watch will flop off of this thing because it's got reverse polarity, which is Apple doing Apple things.
What's nice is you can also charge 2 phones there instead of a Buds, for example.
Yeah, exactly, yeah, because there's enough space. Just needs the real estate. It will charge slowly because it is 9 watts, and it is like wireless charging. It's trickle charging. It's for overnight. It's like, you know where your things are. If you want to be organized, have this on your console as you enter the house, or on your desk at work, or by your bedside. I'd love to have this by my bedside. That'd be great. Okay, I'm gonna plug this guy in. Take everything off. Just plug it in properly. There we go. Plugs in over here. And then that cable kind of ruins the aesthetic, right? Like, no, where was my clean setup? But if you don't know how to hide cables, that is your cue to hide a cable. I would maybe even get another cable and hide it under my desk and get like an elbow cable, and then like put that like on a hole under your desk, so like it's just this wireless, cool looking thing. Okay, plugged in, ready to go. Okay, so see, this cable ruins it. Really wish. Correct. Okay, cool. So put it on, starts charging. I find with the Ultra, you need to kind of get the camera bump over here. And then your watch, and then these lights will indicate which one is there. So it knows the watch is basically fully charged, so it goes green, it's 100% charge. And then the phone is obviously not, so it's red. And if I put the it is really cool. So you can see if it's made contact or not by looking at the light indicators, and then you can also see in order which one is charged. So these 2 aren't charged, and my watch is charged. And yeah, it's such a great device. I think this is such a cool product that Samsung have brought out. It's sturdy, it's thick. It's not like if I pick this up, it's a very thick device. It's got a nice texture to it. These indicator lines are very well thought out because that's where your wireless charging should be, and everything just goes on and charges. It's just well done, Samsung. This is a very cool product. But again, this isn't super fast charging super fast charging in the traditional sense. You're not going to be getting a 45 watt for your Ultra. This is a rig for the for staying at home. So if you put this on a console, put this on your desk, keep it in a place where you're going to be storing your devices, that's where this is going to get the most value. If you found this video helpful in any capacity, please hit that like button. Check out the links in the description when making purchases. It really helps me out. And also, check out this video, this one over here. I think you're going to really dig it. I'll see you in I'll see you in this video. I'll see you in the comments. I'm going to be responding to everything. Cheers.